Laging pagod? Masakit yung kasukasuan? Parang laging kulang ang energy? Gusto mo bang maging healthy at energetic kahit 50 plus ka na? Hello, Haya Birds at your service. Welcome to Live Good Tips with Coach Birds. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay simple daily habits para manatiling malakas ka. Number 1, morning sunlight. 10 to 15 minutes ng araw para sa natural na vitamin D. Number 2, quality sleep. 7 to 8 hours para fresh and energized. Number 3, move more. Walking, stretching, or simpleng sayaw. Sabi nga, galaw-galaw para wag pumanaw. Number 4, proper nutrition. Eat more proteins, healthy fats, at less sugar. And number 5, right supplements. D3 plus K2 for strong bones and immune system. Start today para lagi kang malakas. Comment energy para sa more tips.